Good morning, MSL Nation. Beautiful day. We're gonna have a warm spell for about a week or two. Warm for this time of year. Temperatures just about summer-like, but not like those hot, stinking dog days of summer. Should be great.
MSL Nation! Fredspencer in the house! Where I'm going I don't know. Hope it's warm and sunny. Hope there's lots of money and lots of friends. Rains all night, sun's all day. Everybody likes to play.
Pancakes for breakfast, made from scratch. My own recipe. And I can't wait. I woke up this morning and there was a market where I was camped. So it kind of brings me back to the markets I was doing. This is not a farmer's market, it's a flea market. And they're right at my doorstep.
Find it and get some. Holy crap.
Amazing selection of goods here.
Full size can and come back.
Getting some natural spring water. A week ago the leaves were just buds. And look at now, everything is leafing out. Great time of year, just love it. We're now on a dirt road between Penticton and Summerland. Shingle Creek Road. A lot of open country here. Mainly on the Penticton Indian Reserve. A little bit bumpy.
Want me to back up a little bit, or you alright?
No, that's good. Flying down a dirt road. Beautiful ranch land. Or open range.
More of those paints.
See if I can get any of them in here. Oh, it's just jumping around all over the place. Actually, those two that I'm taking are not paints. They're solid color.
One right there, and there's a whole bunch under that tree over there.
Right, there we go, paint.
A little bit, or you're alright?
No, I'm good here. We're coming down into the Summerland side of the road. It's been a nice journey, kind of bumpy, but pretty good. And here we are at the main road going into Summerland. Well, not the main road, because that would be the highway, but the main back road going into Summerland. And we're coming by the Summerland Trail Riders, where I was a member for many years. And this is the Kettle Valley Railway Station. Great ride. I'll take you on that ride sometime on an old steam train. Giant's Head Mountain is in the center of the picture, and I've been up to the top of that mountain many times. My daughters, who are bicyclists have pedaled their bicycles right to the top of that mountain. Pretty amazing that they could do that. There's a lookout on top that looks out over Okanagan Lake. Right up here, that's where the lookout is. This is orchard country, and we're in Prairie Valley behind Summerland. And there's another view of Giant's Head Mountain. The Summerland downtown area very soon.
Good for tea?
Yes, let's go in for a tea, okay? We're going into the Beanery, which is a little coffee shop here in Summerland. Got some nice snacks in here. It's a nice way to break up the drive. Have a tea break in the Beanery here in Summerland. And I have been in here, but not for a few years. So it's nice to get back here. And we're coming down to Okanagan Lake. Summerland, like all these Okanagan communities, fronts on Okanagan Lake. Here we are, still in April. People out sunning on the beach. Beautiful day today. This is the Summerland Pier. It used to be the old sternwheeler boats that used to go up and down the lake would dock here. I need a boat for my Ogopogo expedition, so if anybody's got any good ideas on how I can get the use of a boat for a couple of weeks in the summer, I'd sure like to hear from you. It's a great walk along here. Beautiful park. Yes, Summerland's a beautiful place. And I lived here for many years. And I really loved living here. Part of me wants to come back here. I have to admit it. The services are better in Penticton. But then they're better in Kelowna. Kelowna's a very busy little city. Lots of hustle bustle. Anywhere in the Okanagan is good. You just can't find a bad place here. This is a water park. In the summertime, kids have a barrel of fun here with all kinds of sprinklers and water flowing. It's really great to see the kids in action. And I will visit this again in the summer. Never seen the Ogopogo? Do you spend a lot of time on the water?
Yeah. Over the years we have, yeah. But I know people who have said they've seen it.
Any close friends?
My doctor.
Well, I guess a doctor's got to be fairly trustworthy.
Yeah, he said he's on. Yeah, no, never seen him myself.
Well, thank you very much for... Do you folks mind if I ask you a question on video?
what?
A question?
Oh, I don't know.
About the Ogopogo. Does anybody mind if I ask?
He grew up here. He knows everything about it.
Oh, okay. He's the.
Me out.
So you have you ever seen the Ogopogo?
Actually, I think I did once.
Did you?
Yeah.
And where was that?
About, I don't know, a kilometer down the...
Oh yeah. And what did you see exactly?
A lot of commotion in the water, that's about it.
A lot of commotion in the water. Okay, well thanks very much folks. And I'm going to be doing an expedition looking for the Ogopogo this summer, which is one of the reasons I'm asking this question. And I will be posting this little video here on my daily vlog on YouTube. So what's your doggy's name?
Whiskey.
Whiskey. Well, he's a well-dressed dog.
Well, the t-shirt has a purpose, actually.
Do you mind being in the video?
No.
Okay. So you said the t-shirt has a purpose?
Yes. It has an incision here.
Oh, I see.
That's to keep her from chewing on it.
Oh, kind of metal stitching. Is that what it is?
Staples, yeah.
Staples. Oh, okay. Well, thanks very much. This is a new version of walking the dog.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, do you come to the dog beach often?
Always.
Yeah. Looks like a great spot. The dogs seem to be having a great time.
Oh, yeah. Lucy's been coming here for 3 years. It's good socializing for them.
Now, I'd like to ask you another question. Have you ever seen the Ogopogo?
No.
You've never seen it? Do you know anybody who's seen it?
No, not offhand.
The reason I'm asking is because I will be doing an expedition this summer to look for the Ogopogo.
Oh, okay.
So,
Somebody said it was a sturgeon.
I've heard that.
Yeah.
I've heard that, and I've also heard the sea urchin.
Yeah.
If you're a tennis player, just imagine playing tennis on a summer evening just after the heat of the day is gone, right next to Okanagan Lake. Wouldn't that be beautiful? We're on our way back to Penticton. We're taking a much smoother road this time.
That's the gate there. That's not the boat ramp, you know what I'm saying?
So this is just a little park on the way to Summerland from Penticton. And there's a boat launch here. We're here in Penticton. Little bit of road grime from our dirt road drive, taken care of in just a few minutes. We're having another coffee stop and we're at the Whole Food Market, which is kind of an organic bulk food store. All kinds of good things here. That was a fun day, but it's getting late now and I'm tired and I'm gonna head off to bed. And that sounds so good to me right at this moment. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and I hope you'll comment below, and I will try to respond to as many of your comments as I can. I do always enjoy reading them. I hope you will like my video. I hope you will share it, and if you're new to my videos, I hope you will subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.
MSL Nation! Fred Spencer in the house! Where I'm going, I don't know. Hope it's warm and sunny. Hope there's lots of money and lots of friends. Rains all night, sons all day. Everybody likes to play. Hope I have lots of friends, lots of girls and some men. Hope I have lots of money. Hope I have nice and sunny. Sitting on a beach somewhere, Starship Betty will take me there. It's my strange life. Take a ride with me. My strange life. Never know what you see. He's the king of rock, the king of roll, the best you've ever seen. Come and see Fred on YouTube with Smell Fishy and Nadine. If you need a movie made, Fred won't take trash, cash for pay. He'll make sure all the birds are fed with his awesome homemade bread. It's my strange life. Take a ride with me. Kick it in my trailer with my warm boots on. When it gets too cold, then I add my long johns. My strange life. Never know what you see. When me head out of bed, him like to look me best with me pants and me shirt and me jacket and vest. My strange life. Take a ride with me. Got myself a bike, but me no like to ride. It take too much room, so me leave it outside. My strange life. Never know what you see. Me got me some Wi-Fi, me can stay in the loop. Me toilet done broke, me got nowhere to poop. My strange life. Take a ride with me. That don't bug me, cause I'll never be a hater. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.